Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today it's a bright sunny morning and the time is currently 9:03 a.m. We are heading towards the BMW showroom for Tequila's third service. Obviously it's run around 16.5k kilometers. I thought it's a good time to give it for a service, as it's been 1 year since I've left for the second service, which is like a month of April. So even the service indicators were showing up in my speedometer, so I thought it's better I book a service and just leave it for the service. So today is the day, the 4th of April. I'll be leaving it for a service. Let's hope the bill is not so much. I guess it will be around 8 to 10k, I believe, if any parts have gone or if they changed brake pads. Obviously it will come around 10k. I'll just post the photo of the bill after the service is done, and let's hope it goes well. Actually the appointment is around 9:30 a.m. but already it's late, because after leaving I just met my neighbor, so I had to stop there and speak, obviously. So yeah, it took a bit of time, and now I'll be heading towards the showroom, which is near Indra Nagar. It's seriously hot, guys. I am not sure why did I put half t-shirt. Yesterday it was raining actually in Bangalore, so I thought it will be good today too, but it's hot, very hot. The trees are really looking awesome. This is the beauty of Bangalore, you know, like everywhere these trees just blossom up awesomely. And I'm actually close to the service center. The time is currently 10:03 a.m. And over here I did not get any much traffic, so fingers crossed we'll reach soon. And I don't know what to do until they give the bike, because I can't go back home. My home is like far away. Hey guys, so finally we have reached the service center, and the time is currently 10:12 a.m. Oh my god, already so many bikes are there for the service. I'm not sure like when again, how much time will it take. So
the next day.
okay. Hey guys, so finally we have picked a tequila and we are heading back home. I don't know how much time will it take, but everything is changed, and extra 3 things were worn out a bit near the engine. So the total bill is around I'll let you know about the bill. Maybe I'll post it somewhere in the video. So everything is changed: the spark plugs, the engine, some cover, he said, like kind of a plug. So those 3 things are changed. Actually there'll be 4 in this bike, so 3 are changed in it. And also, as usual, the fork oil costed me around 6,000, and for with labor it's around 9,000 bucks. This major service comes around every 20,000 kilometers, as I had discussed with the service center guys. So it's for all the bikes from BMW, so obviously it will cost more as usual. So the next service will be around 7 to 8k, and the corresponding service will be around same the same cost, which I'm about to say in this video. Just stay tuned. So yeah, here is our tequila serviced, but I feel like a lot of difference. I don't know why. I feel some like the grunt has increased a bit. I'm not sure what it is. The chain is also clean. Yeah, they have cleaned the chain awesomely, but I'm not sure what the grunt is from, or where the grunt is coming from. Hey guys, so just now I fueled up tequila. It was like empty, and I felt that the bike has become more gruntier. So before the service, when I left it, it was very smooth, and now I feel that it has become more gruntier, and even there was some clutch adjustment done. So I just called the BMW guy now, the service guy now, and he explained me that the parts which I said, the 4 things, I'm not sure of the exact name. Maybe I'll put it down like a subtitle or something. So those parts, like out of 4, 3 are changed because of wear and tear, and he said me that it will take at least 25 to 30 kilometers to get it adjusted, because it's a new part. So let's see, hope it rides well after 25 to 30 kilometers. Currently the time is around 4:56 p.m. and I am near Indra Nagar. Hey guys, so yeah, okay, just wait for the whistle to go off. Yeah, it's been around 2 months since, it's been close to 2.5 or 3 months since I've shot this video, which is shot just now. It was the 3rd service of tequila, and after that my life changed drastically. So there are few updates which I have to give you, life updates, so that I'll give it to you very soon. In these 3 months I was like very busy, stuck with my life, and all the process was going on, and now finally I'm like a bit free now. Finally I thought I'll just make the video, I'll just edit it and upload it. I had given it for a service in the month of April, that is 4th of April, and I got a bike next day. So in my mind I thought like usually it's a general service, so I thought I'll just go there, leave the bike and collect it back. I'll just wait over there and collect it back, as my home is like very far from the service center. I had that plan in my mind, and I just went over there. I thought it will cost somewhere around 7 to 8,000 or a max of 10,000 for the service, but unfortunately it was not like that. Obviously God will have other plans. So I didn't know that BMW has major services every 20,000 kilometers. So the first service done was around 1,000 kilometers, the second service was around 10,000 kilometers, and now the 3rd service, which needs to be done in 20,000 kilometers. It's a major service where all the major parts of the bike will be changed. I just went over there and he gave me a quotation for the service, which I saw and I was shocked. The quotation was around 25,000, and he explained me the same thing, that every 20,000 kilometers this has a major service, which is mandatory. All the parts will be changed. So I'll just read out the parts changed over here. I just noted it down. The usual, the engine oil, coolant, and all those normal stuffs. Apart from that, over here they have done the fork oil replacement, the front suspension forks. They have like replaced the oil. So as I've said in the video, you may have seen previously, the fork oil costs around 6,000 bucks, and with labor it's close to 9,500 something only for the forks. That's like a major thing. And apart from that, they have done a brake oil replacement completely. They have drained the brake oil and again refilled it with a new one. The rear brake pads were changed, and then the normal the spark plugs are changed, and the valve shims. So there are basically 4 valve shims in this bike, which is the BMW G310 GS. So 3 were replaced because of the normal wear and tear. The next one is the gasket ring, and the last one is the valve clearance check. So for this valve clearance check and the shims, it costed more. So that is why the bill is around 25k. But yeah, just stop over there. This is not the final bill. The bill, including all the parts and the labor, is around 25,090 rupees. And now I did not get the final bill. Obviously, the tax will add up after this. The bill was around 25,090, and after the tax, the bill is around 30,123 rupees. Come on, it's like 5,000 just for the tax. I'm not sure what to say on this. But yeah, I had to pay around 30,000 for the major service. This happens with the GS and the 310R, I believe, and even the 310RR. I'm not sure about that, but GS, it is all the BMW bikes, every 20,000 kilometers, it's a major service. So every 20,000 kilometers, you need to spend around 30,000 for the bike. It's in the higher side, but I believe, as I've discussed with my fellow co-riders, as per their experience, they said me that they have done all like the major checks and they have replaced few parts, which will obviously cost more. That too, if it's BMW, it's like even more. So yeah, I've just paid 30,000 for the bike. The next service would be around 10,000 bucks, 7 to 10,000 bucks, and the one after that, again I have to spend around 30,000. So this is the thing, guys. Buying a bike is very easy. You can get any bike, but maintaining it is a very difficult part. So as I said in my bike review video, the review of my tequila, you always need to have 20 to 30k extra in your bank only for this bike. So yeah, if anything goes wrong, you can just spend on it. I'll just post the bill here right now. You can just check it out, what all parts have changed or what has been done on the bike. And in future, there are many updates coming on. There's a very big update which I have to give it to you guys. Yeah, I've planned many rides in future and many new contents. So from now on, I believe I'll put videos frequently. I'll upload videos frequently. So until then, this is Sachin signing off as of now.